What's up, guys? How's everything going today? Today we're going to be talking about a new product I got in here. This is the indoor smart switch from GE. I've been waiting for this switch for a while. It's been on back order, so finally got it in. What we're going to do, we're going to do a quick unboxing here, guys, to see what comes in the box and everything, you know, if it's everything that I thought it would be. So let's get into it. First of all, this is a 40 amp switch. I don't really need this switch, but I decided that I would go ahead and pick it up because I'm in the process of putting an air conditioner in my garage, and on the outside you have to have the actual cutoff switch. So I said what I was going to do is I would go ahead and just originally I had bought the regular, you know, pull down type disconnect. So I decided to send that back and get the smart switch when they had it in stock. So again, this is a 40 amp switch. It's Z-Wave controlled, so that's a big thing. Usually, you know, you don't find the Z-Wave control switches as high as 40 amps. Usually it's just like a 15 amp or 20 amp circuit that they usually use these for. You can control this with smart things. Of course, it's can be controlled by Alexa, so that's a good thing, and it's good for energy monitoring. That it actually has a power monitoring feature on it. So I don't need it for any of those things because I have the span panel. But one thing what appealed to me was the fact that once I run the circuit for my air condition to this switch, it actually have two 110 outlets. So what that means is that when I run the, say, 12 gauge wire into this box, then I can come off of it with two 110 feeds. So one feed will go to my air conditioner to feed my air conditioner, and the other one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap off that one and send it out back as a feeder for a light that I want to put in the back. So that was what really appealed to me about this switch. So let's get into it, guys. Let's see what's in it. I don't have anything to open it with, but we're gonna try to see if I can, just a little piece of tape here. See if I can rip the tape off here. Work with me, work with me. There we go, it's coming. It's coming, there we go. So we got that down. Take my glasses off here. Okay. So first thing here we got, basically tells you it's a smart home product. Yeah, whatever. And it's a little instruction manual here. Like it's in 3 or 4 different types of languages, 4 different languages. And then we have anchors, and that looks like the antenna there, guys. So that's the antenna. Good deal. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Packaging. Package pretty good. More cardboard. Okay. There's nothing else in the box, so put that aside here. Try not to scuff my table up. I love this popcorn stuff, so I won't pop it on camera. Yeah, it appears to be pretty good. The build quality seems to be pretty good on it. Let's see what we have here. Take this thing here. Take this back around. Since I got it out, I might as well go ahead and put it on, guys. You know, never can be too safe. I don't want to break anything, right? All right, there we go. That's a little antenna there. It does have a little lock that you can lock on the side here. It has a place where you can put a padlock or something like that. Let's get these things here out of the way. Okay, so we have, I guess this is where you can like mount it from the back. And it appears like it has two holes in the back there, guys, where we can drill through and where we could mount it to the wall. So I want to say it don't feel, it's like it's a metal case, but It feels plastic though, but okay, whatever. And look like we have some knockouts. Got 2 on the bottom here, 1 on each side and 1 on the back. So those look like 3/4 inch knockouts. This is actually, I hope they're 3/4 inch knockouts. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can get inside. Let's see what they look like inside. Okay. All right, guys, so that's what it look like inside. Pretty nice. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with that. Has a gasket because it's supposed to be you can mount it indoors or outdoors. So hinges seem to be pretty good, and this seems to be pretty nice. As you can see here, this is plastic, and you can see the different connections here. We have the ground screw on the bottom down there, so that works out pretty good. We'll knock that out. So once we knock that out, then I'll be able to fish my wire through the back and get into the house here. Got my on and off switch, so that should work pretty good. Pretty impressed. This is going to be a lot better than the regular outlet here. It does have some warning here, guys, on this side here. You know, if you afraid of electricity or don't play with electricity or never played with electricity, then leave it alone. Don't mess with it. This is it's the power button. You can press it and it has a little, plug here, little LED lights. It's kind of interesting how they did that, because if you look here, you can see the LED lights, and then I guess what they do, they just shine through these little prongs here. But this is the on and off switch. So push it in, and I guess that's how you can turn it on and off. All in all, guys, I think it's a pretty good little product, and I think I'm gonna be happy with this. So it's gonna be interesting when I mount it on there. It's gonna go outside, and it's gonna be my cutoff for my air conditioner. So excited about that. So guys, that was a quick unboxing, and that's the GE 40 amp shut off for my air conditioner. I'm gonna be running an air conditioner in my garage, so I decided I would purchase this, and I hope when a guy come out there and inspect, you know, he doesn't give me any issues with it. So I'm going to use it as a cutoff switch for my air conditioning, and I'm going to use it as a feed for my outside lights. For my I'm gonna put some lights in the backyard, like a little pole, a little decorative light. So I'm gonna use that other 120 feed that's on the bottom of this cutoff to feed that light. So should be interesting, guys. All right, that's all I have. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe. I will be doing a video on how to install this product. Once I get everything situated in the garage and start to move everything into the garage and get everything up and running, I'll show you guys how we, install this and how we get it up and running. So you got to be subscribed and click that notification bell. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. All right, have a good day now. Bye.